Hi, this is Sai Lokesh. I am doing superposition on MATLAB. First of all, we do on the paper, and this is R1, and this is R3, and this is R2. Here we are taking two voltage sources, E1 and E2, and this is 20 volts, and E2 is 20 volts. R1 is 3 ohms, and R2 is 3 ohms. R3 is 3 ohms. For finding superposition theorem, first we kill the source. Killing of voltage source means short circuit. It gives zero voltage. And it is R1, it is R2, R3, R2, and it is 3 ohms, 3 ohms, 3 ohms, and E1 is 20 volts, and E2 is short circuited. And here R equivalent 1, and R equivalent 1 is R1 plus R2 into R3 and R2 plus R3. Here R1 is 3 ohms and R2 is 3 and R3 is 3 into 3 divided by 3 plus 3, and we get this 3 plus 9 by 6, and Ra equivalent 1 is 4.5 ohms, and current I1 is equal to E1 divided by R equivalent 1 into R3 divided by R2 plus R3. Here voltage source E1 is 20 and R equivalent we have that 4.5 ohms, and R3 is 3 ohms, and R2 plus R3. We know that R2 plus R3 is 6. Finally we get this 2.222 amperes, and we kill another E1 voltage source. Then we find out R equivalent and R equivalent to and I2. Here R1, R2, R3, and E2 voltage source E2. E2 is 20 volts, R2 is 3 ohms, R1 is 3 ohms, and R3 is 3 ohms. By doing this, we get the R equivalent 2. R equivalent 2 is equal to R3 plus R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. And we have R3 is 3 ohms, and R1 is 3, and R2 is 3, 3 plus 3. And again we get R equivalent to is 4.5 ohms, and we get this R equivalent to is equal to 4.5 ohms. And again we have to find I2 we get this E2 into R equivalent to into R1 by R1 plus R2. By doing this, E2 voltage source we have 20 volts, and R equivalent to 4.5 ohms into R1 we know 3, and I2 is 2.22 amperes. And after finalize this, and we have to find total current is equal to I1 plus I2, and I1 plus I2 is equal to I1 is 2.22 amperes and I2 is 2.22 amperes. And after final we have that 4.44 total current, we have 44 amperes. After final we have the 4.44 amperes. Okay, now we open MATLAB Android app, and open files, and now create a new file, and new file is name that superposition theorem. .m and create, and now CLC, and CLC clears the command space and it clears the workspace. And first we give command center. I am giving directly, and e1 is equal to 20 volts, and give semicolon, and e2 it is equal to 20 volts, and R1 is equal to 3 ohms, and R2 is equal to and R2 is equal to 3 ohms, and R3 is equal to 3 ohms, and R3 is equal to 3 ohms, and gives the semicolon, and now we write that R equivalent one is equal to R1 and plus bracket open R2 star R3 bracket close and slash R2 plus R3, and close the bracket and give the semicolon. And now I1 and here I1 is equal to, and now bracket open and E1 and divided by R equivalent 1 and bracket close, and now star bracket open and R3 divided by R2 plus R3 bracket close and give semicolon. And now R equivalent 2 and is equal to R3 plus bracket open and R2 star R1 and again close the bracket and give divided by R2 plus R1 bracket close and gives the semicolon. And again I2 is equal to bracket open I2 E2 divided by R equivalent to and close the bracket and star R1 divided slash and open the bracket and again R1 plus R2 and again close the bracket and give semicolon. And again total current I is equal to I1 plus I2 and give the semicolon. Give the semicolon. And evaluating and superposed theorem. Now R equivalent 1 R equivalent 1 4.5 ohms and again R equivalent to again 4.5 ohms and now I1 equal 2.2 amperes and again I2 2.2 amperes and total I 4.44 amperes. After finally we get the superposed theorem on MATLAB and lab. Okay, now clear the command space